2020 National Electrical Code does not have a specific rule that says you can't run water pipes next to rigid metal conduit, or RMC, on the same strut. However, there are things to consider. Firstly, conduit penetration. Water pipes could damage the RMC, which creates a safety risk. Make sure you support and space them properly to avoid physical contact. Secondly, grounding. Water pipes are often grounded. If they touch the electrical wires inside the RMC, it could create a ground loop. Insulate and isolate the water pipe to prevent this. Thirdly, electromagnetic interference. If the wires inside the RMC carry a lot of current, they might create electromagnetic interference, or EMI. This interference can affect nearby sensitive electronic devices like sensors or control systems connected to the water pipe. Fourthly, corrosion. Metal water pipes can corrode if they are exposed to moisture and condensation that collects on the RMC. Insulate and protect the water pipe to prevent corrosion. Fifthly, access for maintenance. Having a water pipe next to RMC can make it difficult to access either one for maintenance or repairs. The strut might need to be removed to get to the pipe. Sixthly, electrical shock. If there's a fault or insulation failure in the RMC, the water in the pipe could come into contact with live electrical wires, creating an electrical shock hazard. Seventhly, water damage. If a water pipe bursts or leaks, it can damage the RMC, electrical parts, or nearby equipment. While the National Electrical Code, or NEC, doesn't specifically prohibit it, it's generally recommended to keep water pipes and electrical conduits separated as much as possible for safety and maintenance reasons. If you have to install them side by side, take these precautions. 1. Maintain adequate spacing and support to prevent physical interference. 2. Insulate and isolate the water pipe to prevent contact with electrical conductors. 3. Use appropriate measures to mitigate electromagnetic interference concerns, such as shielded cables or filters. And 4. Provide easy access for maintenance and repairs to both the water pipe and electrical conduits. Ultimately, deciding whether to run a water pipe beside RMC on the same strut depends on the situation. Consider the type of water pipe, electrical load, and environmental conditions. It's always a good idea to consult with a qualified electrician and plumber for guidance.